Today we are going to know about the best wallpaper and ringtone app in Android for free. The icon of the app looks like this. You can download it from Play Store. No need to worry, it's completely free. Open Play Store, type Zeds in search bar and click on install. Now open app. Interface of the app look like this. You will get all kinds of wallpapers in this app. You can select wallpapers from different categories. There is a premium option here. You can use these wallpapers by watching ad. Click on 3 dots menu, you will find all the options. Click on ringtones, you will find top ringtones. Click whatever ringtone you want, you can play it and download it. Also set as mobile ringtone. Also you can search movie name or category. You will get wallpapers and ringtones related to it. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you will find it useful. Subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.